What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to the channel. Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are out here. Today's Friday, October 14th. It is me and Dad's birthday, and we're out here at Spoonbill, and this man's already getting them going. So we've been here since 1 o'clock. Oh. I think it's a red or a drum, black drum. Hell yeah. That thing was going down. Let's see what he's got. Let's see what he's got. So this is gonna be the first one for Dad today. He's right here. It's gonna surface here in a minute. He's right here. Oh, it's a big red. Oh, it is a gar. Oh shit. Where's your rope, Dad?
I got one right inside the camper there.
Damn, that's a big one. Oh God. Oh God. Hey, whose rod is that?
Let's take that rod off.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll still bring him over here this side.
Well, yeah, try to keep him over here. We're gonna try to rope him, Kim folk. Let him sit for a minute.
Look at that toad.
That's not the alligator. That's the alligator. What's the one with the long snout?
Is that one? The alligator gar? Has the
Two
wrong.
different ones. There's different guards. I know that. But, that is. No, the one I saw had a
Needle nose thing.
Needle nose. Is that what it is? Needle nose guard? Holy crap. You got it.
He got him. He got him off.
Oh my Lord! Woo!
He get you, bro.
You got ya? Phew!
It hit me.
Damn, Dad, that's a big one.
Wow, is it 6 foot? Five?
About
6 foot, yeah.
6 foot. Nice.
Oh, moly.
That's gonna be some good eating.
Got a red tag on.
Where?
Paper.
Oh, Mustang? Hell yeah. That's gonna be some good eating.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, happy birthday. Hell yeah.
Damn, that's sweet.
That's gonna be good.
You got your bait for your crab. See this one?
What we got?
That's incredible.
Where you at, bro?
I'm at 60.
Damn.
I'm at 60 and it's got a lot, like another, let me see, let it go.
What's 60?
67?
5.
Is there a max?
60.
No max, but one per person, no. No minimum either, per day.
67?
Yes, sir, yeah.
You got the...
Let me go get a pair of pliers.
Get on this side, Dwayne.
Huh?
Get on this side.
Yeah.
Can you just get him on
Huh?
the picture?
Got it.
That's gonna be my thumbnail. Alright, Kimfo. We got the meat all cut up. Dad's got it in the cooler. So, what you think, Dad? That's the biggest one so far?
And I tell you, I didn't think that son was gonna quit running. He kept on taking line, and I had my reel with 60-pound test line, and the reel started smoking. And I said, oh heck. He finally quit running, and I started reeling him in. And
Yeah. Got him up. So he was over 5 foot. What'd you say, 5.5?
5'7".
5'7".
Yeah.
So it's a big one. It's a big one. Biggest one Dad's caught so far. So I think that's the biggest one we've all caught. I don't think we've caught, any of us caught one that big yet. So it's good stuff, man. Good stuff. So
He was fat.
yeah, he was. Yeah, he was. So we're out here for our birthday, just hanging out, enjoying the day. We got here about 1 o'clock.
Yep.
I think about 1 o'clock. And we're gonna try to catch some more. We're gonna try to catch a big red now. So there's a gar, now there's a red.
Yep. And
So,
I got room in my cooler for
they got
another
red.
red, so.
We're actually gonna cook that gar up tomorrow, man. So we're just gonna cut it up in little nuggets and fry it up. So
Cook it on a disc.
yeah, I'll cook it on the disc. So it'll be pretty cool. But if we catch anything else, the brother-in-laws are out there trying to catch some stuff over there. And so if we end up catching anything else, then we'll get back on here. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. See you. Oh shit, Ray's got one. Oh my God. Got another gar?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
And it's huge. Yeah, the big one I got before I drug him down to the boat.
Oh man.
Are you finna hang him?
There you go.
I'm going again.
Tired, get him tired.
I'm good.
Getting them. Time check. What time is it? 8:50. 8:50. 8:50 in the evening.
Oh yeah, come on. Did he break your rod?
Again.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Slip through again.
It's again.
Nope.
Alright.
That motherfucker just going through, man.
I don't know. He's going out about
No.
Got him, bro. You got him now.
Got him
Got him now. Got it. Watch your legs, watch your legs, watch your legs. Hell yeah.
What was that, 10 times?
Yep. Nice one, bro.
Made you work for
Hold on.
Nice one. It busted?
No,
It came out. Damn.
Right on time.
Bro.
Nobody said it.
Yeah.
I was looking at it. It was almost.
That's a big one.
Wow.
That's a big one.
He got tired.
Hell
My
yeah.
veins popping out. Look.
Good job, man.
Thank you, man.
She gonna have to.
You got that one?
Huh?
Good time.
Thank you.
Nice job, man.
All right, time to clean them up.
Oh, wow.
1, 2, 3.
See?
About 60.
Probably about, yeah,
65.
65.
Yep.
Nice.
The other one was 67.
Yeah. Hey, tell him, girl.
Get it, Mayra, get it. Get it, girl. What you got? What you got? Raise. Is it even coming in? Over here. Yeah, it's coming, Mayra, it's coming.
Don't reel it no more. Yes. Just bring the head towards the left. Let her scoop it up.
Now grab it.
Grab it from there.
Yee! Hell
Good
yeah.
job, man.
Teamwork,
Hey. Good job, baby. Hell yeah.
That's a big red.
Okay, Mayra, come on. You have to kiss it. Yeah, I ain't even gonna hold it.
You got him.
No, you have to hold it.
You got it.
Come on,
Look at
It's time for the hood, Maida. Let's go.
Huh?
Yeah. God dang, that's what he ate. That's what he had for bait.
He swallowed
Okay.
that sucker. Pick it up, Mayra. Or at least get next to Dwayne. I'll get next to Dwayne, but don't get it too close.
Take your finger
Dale
off the
besito.
mouth.
Besito, besito.
Over here.
Well, you tired the shit out of him, Maida. Oh, that his
One.
ears look bigger
Don't
like
get
that.
it too close.
1, 2, 3, queso.
Oh, see, Lebo done snatch one up. What you got, Lebo? Oh man, that's a good one, man.
What is that?
What's it, croaker? No, that's a.
Yes, wait.
Let me see.
No, man.
Hey, look at that. Look at that now. Hell yeah. Lebo killing them, man. What is it? Croaker?
I don't know what it is. Yeah, it looks like a.
No, that's a
Whitey.
trout, huh?
No, is it?
It's got the line down the
little teeth in the front.
Yeah, you got teeth in the front. You got 2 teeth right there. Yeah, that's a trout.
Do you throw this one back?
Yeah, because trout gotta be what, Justin?
Well, those are sand trout.
Oh, it doesn't matter then?
Keep those, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
There's no limit on those.
Gotcha. Hell yeah, that's the 3rd one already for Lebo. And we over here just drinking beer. When we ain't catching shit. Shit.
Hey, we got plenty of cut bait, huh?
That's it. That's it. They'll get it. All right, Lebo got one. Let's see what he's got. Does it feel big, Lebo?
Yeah, not really, but
Let's see what he's running.
kind of far away.
Yeah? I don't know, man. Seems like I got a little bit of weight to it, huh? Oh snap. What's he got? What's he got? Oh, the gaff top. Ah, dang. Hell yeah. You're getting them. Good morning, kinfolk. Today's the second day. We out here tearing it up. Actually, we ain't caught nothing, but had some coffee. Boss man showed up, and he's out here fishing. We're gonna see if we can catch something today. We're gonna cook up that gar, so I'll show y'all what that looks like. Got some breakfast going on, kinfolk. Gonna knock this out, and then add some eggs, some bacon, sausage, breakfast sausage. Everybody's coming out, finally getting up. Me and Letty were the ones that were up first, right, Letty?
Yes, sir.
Everybody else sleeping and shit.
Yeah.
Boss man done called him a flower. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Hell yeah. That's dope, man. Alright, kinfolk. We just got done cooking up the gar. Some of the gar, not all of it. Some of it. And we put some with Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce.
I don't want to get too close because you had guts flying towards you a little bit ago. Go roll!
And and it was good. Let me show you what's left. There ain't much left. Daniela got a little bit right here. Look, look. So that's the one. That's the Frank's, right? Buffalo sauce. What do you think? Is it good? Mm-hmm. Hell yeah.
You know she likes that.
Delicioso. So we just fried it up. Just like fish, man. So good. So good. So if you ever get a chance to try alligator gar, make sure you check it out. And we're gonna do some more fishing. I think we've caught 3 alligator gar, 1 red, a bunch of little trout, and oh, Daniela caught some. You caught some flounder, didn't you? You caught flounder? Yeah. How many did you catch? 2?
1.
1?
Yeah, it's in the fridge.
Yeah. So she caught some flounder too. So and Larry caught flounder too. Ball man caught some flounder. So, but yep, it was awesome, man. It's been a great day, and we'll holler at y'all here in a little bit if we catch some more stuff. See you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. That shit went out already again.
Happy birthday to you.
It went out again.
And many more.
Queremos pastel.
Guys, thank you so much for the cake.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for
This is
being
for me and the
you.
wife.
No.
Thank you, Justo, for having a Justo.
Put it back in the water.
So, my brother and them caught a fish. We're on our way to go look, see what it is. Hang on. What is it?
It's a stingray.
Oh man, they got a stingray.
A big red.
Bang, gone. That's it. See ya.
Bye. Bye, Mr. Stingray.
Alright, kinfolk, we are out. We're done. We're headed back to the house. It was a great weekend, man. A birthday weekend. Me and my dad had an amazing time with all the family and friends there. Had such a great time. So thank y'all for everybody that came out. And you know, it couldn't have gone any better. We caught some gar, we caught red, flounder, stingray. The niece caught a bunch of croaker, some gaff top. So it was just about everything. Just about everything got caught this weekend. So it was really fun. And then we had just a great time. So we really appreciate it, man. Thank you again. Thank you again to everybody that came out.
Glitch.
I appreciate it. Alright, so until next time, till next adventure. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.